Cherwell laboratories provide environmental monitoring equipment and services.
Our customers all typically run clean rooms or use isolators to do aseptic or sterile manufacturing, and they use our product to monitor that space.
We have to differentiate ourselves from our main competition, and one of the ways we do that is our agility and flexibility. For example, not all plates fit with different air samplers, so sometimes we just need to educate the client that there isn't total standardization and interchangeability to help them make the right decision.
Our product actually is relatively simple, but trying to get that really high level of consistency through the manufacturing process is really important because that produces a consistent product. We manufacture a batch of EM plates, 6,000 plates. You want the first plate to be just as good as the last plate.
Every batch we manufacture is actually qualified for release. There are 3 main criteria that go on through our QC laboratory. We test for sterility, and we are not introducing contamination to our client's clean environment. Second is pH. It's a good indicator of functionality of the product. But the third and most critical is growth promotion, to know whether we can release or fail a batch.
The process is there's an initial formulation phase where we formulate the product, and then we mix that with water, and we sterilize that as a batch of liquid that's then ready to be dispensed into petri dishes, contact plates, bottles. We then go for a filling process. We then have a conditioning phase for our plated media, which holds the product for 5 to 7 days. And then we go into a final inspection, primary packaging and secondary packaging. And it's only once that packaging is on the product that it actually leaves the clean room. Then it's put into boxes, and the final stage, and for the plated media certainly, is it's sent off site for a final sterilisation process.
The consistency and reliability of the business comes back to the staff and the employees we have. A pool of very capable individuals, so a whole mix of long service, high retention that have just built up the local knowledge, as well as new highly educated individuals who understand the science of what we do, and then we can leverage that into just giving the best possible service we can, the best product, and service our clients and interact with them in a proactive way.
I think the UK pharma sector is very buoyant, and as a business we feel very well placed to really now start leveraging our experience and expertise. So we've developed a 5-year strategy which we've called Accelerate, where we have an ambition to double the size of the business in 5 years. I think the thing that really excites us is being able to service a customer and deliver something that actually meets their needs.